I thought I'd just do a quick video showing my doors that I made like, I don't know, 8 years ago, something like that. They've never been used or fully assembled. They weigh 1.2 kilos without the door skin on. So I just put rib nuts and some large, oh, it's very dark, washers in here. The hinges, ooh, very dark. Hang on, I'll go around the other side. So, hang on. So, when the door skin goes on, they'll be a lot more rigid. So what I've done, still very dark. What I've done with the door hinge, I've cut all this part off where the other bolt hole was, all that off. So there's just the minimum amount. And this here is normally about 3 times that big. There's, you know, solenoids, I like all sorts of stuff. And I've got it down to I just need to make something on here so I can push from the top and that just opens the door. Look at this, it's a bit wobbly at the moment. But they're working.